I lost my footing, dude.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. This time around I headed back to Santa Cruz with my buddy Devin, which, by the way, he takes some really nice pictures. I'm gonna put down his Instagram on the description, so go and check it out. His stuff is really great. If you ever see him out there in UCSC, give him a holler and he can probably take a picture of you. But yeah, so headed back to Santa Cruz. The weather was really nice. It was rainy, it was wet, so we wanted to try the trail called Modelo. We ended up doing that trail, but we took our time on it. We were checking it out. It was the first time riding it. But this video is going to be about Chupacabra. I wanted to hit this trail because before I wasn't able to clear it all the way down. I would always kind of stop and look around and second guess myself, but this time around it felt really good. I was really confident that day, and me and my buddy Devin, we went on it, and this is what the video is going to be about. So let's go jump on into the video. Alright, here we go, guys. Made it to Chupa. Let's see if I can clear it all the way. On a rainy day, it's gonna be slick for sure. Here we go. Sorry, dude. Lost a bit of control there. But we're back on. Here's the steep stuff. I think it should be good. A bit slippery. Wow. That was a bit slippery. All good. Let's keep going. I lost my footing back there. Watch out, Devin! That's the first one. Hold on! There's a tree! There's a branch or... That sucks. Should we try to move it out of the way? I think we can. Oh, fudge. Never mind, dude.
This one goes over?
Nice. We'll bulldoze that sucker. Move on. Try to clear that. Come on, go to the left. Hell yeah. See if I can clear that. All right. All good. Let's do these little jumps. Super slick in here. Can't even see anything. Whoa. Oh boy. Let's do it. Follow boy Devin over here. The chunks on a freaking rainy day. Awesome day on the mountains. Go for it. Roll the boat. That sketches me out a little bit. All good. Okay. No brakes. Hell yeah. That was dope. You almost lost it, dude. You went to the right. That was badass. Hell yeah, bro. Alright, here we go. Keep on going. Chupacabra. Getting loose. Slick. Hell yeah. Following my boy Devin. On that Bronson. Go for it. Left. That little drop. Oh yeah. Got it. Fuck. Hell yeah, boy. That was freaking awesome, dude. Guys, that's gonna be it. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe. It was a really nice, awesome day today. Friday night here in the mountains, Santa Cruz. Rainy weather, foggy. Couldn't get any better. With my homeboy Devin. Peace. Keep riding. What was that? Oh, probably.